Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location with someone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Map. If you don't have it, you can download it on Play Store. So when open, you click on your profile. Then you click on location sharing. Then you click on share location again, just below here. So you're going to select the hours you'll be doing this. Mine will be 5 hours, and below it you see suggestions, contact people that you can share your location with, or other apps. Below it you see other apps which you can share your location to. So I'm sharing it to messages to someone. I'll click on messages, then click on share. So it will ask you to turn your location. So when you turn it on, it will take you to the message app. Then you share the location to the person. It will be in the form of link. So this is the link that I was talking about. You just send it to the person, and that's all. They can view your location from wherever they are. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.